Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer Matic from Crypto.com to Metamask in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your tokens smoothly and securely. By the end, you'll be all set to manage your Matic on the Polygon network with ease. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an account on Crypto.com with some Matic in it, and Metamask installed on your device. Also, double-check that your Metamask wallet is set up for the Polygon network, as that's where Matic lives. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Head over to your wallet section and select the Matic you want to transfer. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. That's your gateway. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient address. This is where Metamask comes in. Open your Metamask wallet, switch to the Polygon network if it isn't already, and copy your wallet address. Paste that address into the Crypto.com withdrawal form. Don't forget to double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Now, specify the amount of Matic you want to send. Remember, you'll have to cover network fees, so add a little extra if needed. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and authorize the transaction with your Crypto.com security measures, like two-factor authentication. Step 3. Sit back and wait. The transfer should process quickly, usually within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. In Metamask, keep an eye on your wallet. You should see the Matic arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up, make sure your Metamask is on the correct network. Pro tip: always use a secure connection and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, double-check for any updates on Crypto.com or Metamask's official sites. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Matic. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.